welcome. I'm just making a quick video on how I built the hangboard that's behind, because I got a couple of questions about the dimensions and the build process. So I got a 48-inch piece of plywood, 48 by 24, but then I cut the size. Here you can see it's 40 inches tall and 24 inches wide. The upper 8 inches of the plywood I cut to make the back plate for the hangboard itself. It's about 8 inches, you can see that there. For the sides, I used 2x6s. This is 24 inches long along this side, and these are 45-degree angles. Here, essentially creating a right angle triangle. The upper 2x6 is about 17 inches. This is what forms the struts that help keep the back plate away from the wall. I secured them in place with 90-degree ties here, a straight tie here, and then essentially a like semi-circumferential tie on the upper section. Then on the inside of the hangboard, I actually attached a 2x4, through which I put some U-brackets attached with a carabiner attached to a pulley. And I did this on both the inside and the outside. That allows for a pulley system that will help me take off weight as needed. Then after creating the whole hangboard setup on the ground, which I'd recommend doing, I then secured it all to the wall. So you can see here I used lag screws. I don't remember the length, but they're pretty long. I went straight into the 2x4 framing in the back. I used one on either side down low, and then as we come up, I actually put two up high because that's where a lot more of the force on the framing is going to be in place. You can see. Here you can see how I attached the tension climbing grindstone MK2 board to the plywood backstop up top. The nice thing about having the plywood backstop is that if you want to change your hangboard apparatus, it's pretty easy to do so. So hopefully this video helps you understand how I built the hangboard that you can see here. Essentially this is the same hangboard setup as I built down in my place in San Francisco Bay Area. If you liked the video, let me know.